somewhere like over there,
Yeah.
and they're shooting off really cool fireworks. And I'm guessing they have really like really good fireworks. And that's somewhere else, I think.
You're right.
Yeah. And that's my auntie named Pickle. You know she doesn't look like a pickle.
I don't. Do I taste like a pickle? Nope.
Taste like.
Am I
Can I
salty?
taste? Can I taste like?
don't know they're there.
Am I dilly?
Yeah. Can I taste like? Woo! 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 Fireworks going across the street, right? Coming a couple yards down that way. I'm filming this video right now live on 4th of July. Woo! That's a big firecracker. Woo! Another one just went off like over there. Oh, come on, enough with the nonsense. With a BBT8. Come on. Do we need a megaphone? All masked. Can't even tell. Woo! Back over here. All this. You gotta come see this. All this.
Right here.
Okay, good. We don't know who's shooting these off, but all we know is that they're doing the best job ever shooting these off. Woo! Holy crap. Woo! Grand finale backyard. Grand finale coming live from the 4th of July. In Annie's backyard. And it's only been 1 minute since we've been waiting. So for another one, so this is gonna be kind of cool and crazy. So let's get some more footage here. Not like that kind of footage. Footage. Footage is another word for like taking video or something. Whoa. Yeah, here comes a better view. The lights aren't on anymore. Some fire over there. Bonfire. And we are taking some live footage here. Woo! Real firecracker over there. Woo!
You want to go over there?
Yeah.
I'll show you now.